We'll be discussing a crucial aspect of running business, selling your services effectively. Whether you're a freelancer, a consultant, or a small business owner, knowing how to sell your services is essential for attracting clients and growing your business. It's about understanding your clients' needs and demonstrating the value you provide and building a lasting relationship. To effectively sell your services, consider the following steps and strategies. Define your target audience. Before you can sell your services, you need to identify who your ideal clients are. Research your target market and tailor your services to address their specific needs. Develop a compelling value proposition. Clearly communicate the unique value and benefits your services offer. What problems do you solve? How do you make your clients live easier, or how you can benefit them? Craft a strong value proposition that resonates with your target audience. Build your personal brand. Establish yourself as an expert in your industry by building a strong personal brand. Share valuable content on social media, contribute to relevant publications, and network with other professionals in your field. A strong personal brand will attract potential clients and build trust. Refine your sales pitch. Create a concise and compelling sales pitch that highlights the key features and benefits of your service. Tailor your pitch to each client's specific needs and showcase how your services can help them achieve their goals and overcome challenges. Provide social proof. Feedback and reviews, case studies, and client successful stories are powerful tools for building credibility. Collect feedback from satisfied customers and showcase it on your website or in your marketing materials. Potential clients are more likely to trust your services if they see evidence of your past successes. Offer a variety of packages. Provide different services or options to cater to different clients. Offer a clear breakdown of what each package includes and make it easy for clients to understand the value they will receive. Create a sense of urgency. Encourage clients to take action by creating a sense of urgency. Limited time offers, exclusive bonuses, or early bird discounts can motivate potential clients to make a decision sooner rather than later. Follow up and natural relationships. You see, selling is not just about initial transactions. It's about building long-term relationship with your clients. Follow up with potential clients. Address their concerns and stay in touch, even if they don't immediately commit. Building a rapport and trust is key to securing future businesses. Selling your services is about understanding your clients' needs. Showcase the value you offer. Build relationships based on trust. Take the time to refine your sales strategies. Continually improve your skills and adapt to evolve in the need of the target market. Understand the target market. Before you can sell your services, you need to understand your target market. Conduct thorough market research to identify the needs and preferences. Communicate the unique value and benefits your services offer. Determine your unique selling proposition, the aspect of your service and what makes it distinct and superior to others. Highlight the USP in your sales pitch and try to be different. Tailor your pitch to individual clients, to what their goals are, specific needs and challenges. Offer a clear pricing structure. Be transparent about your prices and structure and align it with the value of your products and what you provide. Provide excellent customer service. Customer service is a key to building trust and maintaining long-term relationships. Be responsive, reliable, and go the extra mile to exceed your clients' expectations. Establish yourself as an authority. Position yourself as an industry expert by sharing valuable content. And this could be through blogs, social media, or public speaking engagements. Knowledge and expertise will help build credibility and attract potential clients who trust your skills. Encourage satisfied clients to refer your services to others. Word of mouth recommendations are very powerful. Additionally, active network and collaborating with other professionals in your industry to expand your reach and gain access to new clients. And this is one of the ways which it helps to build clientele and stronger your brand. So remember, selling your services is about understanding your client's need effectively, communicating the value that you offer, and building trust